Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Purple color, orange color, light green color, red color, violet color, dark green color, yellow color, dark blue color, sky blue color, brown color. Let's try to learn some alphabets and numbers. A for apple. B for boy. C for cow. D for dress. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for honey. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kiwi. L for lollipop. M for monkey. N for nest. O for ox. P for pen. Q for quilt. R for ring. S for sun. T for tiger. U for universe. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yolk. Z for zipper. Let's try to count some numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys. Yellow color, black color, purple color, brown color, light green color, orange color, violet color, red color, sky blue color, dark blue color, dark green color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and shapes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. A. A for aeroplane. Orange color. B. B for books. Light green color. C. C for cake. Violet color. D. D for dog. Yellow color. E. E for elevator. Sky blue color. F. F for flowers. Purple color. G. G for goat. Dark blue color. H. H for horse. Dark green color. I. I for iron. Brown color. J. J for juice. Square. Circle. Triangle. Heart. Star. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Purple color. Sky blue color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.